Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Tom from Mom of 4 Boys. He's making ribs over at his house and I'm making boneless ribs in a pressure cooker. So go ahead and check out his channel. I'll put a link down below in the description bar and see how he does his ribs, and you'll see how I do mine. Alright, I'm starting out with roughly 3 pounds of boneless country style ribs that I have in a pressure cooker. And the reason I went with boneless is because Holly's really fussy about meat on the bone. That's why you see me making pork chops 9 times out of 10, they're boneless pork chops. Now I'm going to add some apple juice in here. Just enough to come up to just about the top of the ribs. I'd say that's probably about 2 cups or so. And I'm going to add in just a shot of liquid smoke, about a teaspoon. You want to be careful with this stuff because it's strong, and as that pressure cooks, that liquid smoke will circulate around in there. Now I'm going to put my lid on here, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook. Make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 18 minutes. After the 18 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. All right, now that my ribs are done pressure cooking, I put them on a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil. And I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on it. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia onion. I've never had it, but my brother Terry praises it, so I'm going to give it a try. I know I've had Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. That's pretty good. So I'm going to hit this side with barbecue sauce, and I'm going to turn the other side over. We're going to do a little seasoning and then some barbecue on that. All right, now that I have them turned over, I'm going to hit them with a little bit of Cajun seasoning. And this is going to add a little bit of heat. So if you have little ones at home and you make these, you might not want to add this. But it's going to make them a little spicy with a little kick. So I have them all seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and hit this side with the barbecue sauce. And I'm going to put these, I have my broiler set on high. I'm going to put them under the broiler for a few minutes. I'm going to keep a close eye on them because it's not going to take long until they get a nice caramelization on the barbecue sauce. When I bring them out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, these just came out of the oven. They were under the broiler for about 5 minutes. You can see how that barbecue sauce caramelized and start to darken up. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some homemade pressure cooker baked beans to go with this, and some potato salad, that's store-bought. Let me get in here and try the ribs. And guys, if you want to see me do a video on them baked beans, let me know. Ribs are tender. Barbecue sauce is really good. Good suggestion, Terry. Get a little bit of heat from the Cajun seasoning, not much because I won't light on it. I'll try them baked beans since I made them homemade. Baked beans are really good too, guys. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker, boneless ribs. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.